Hello.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dodge County in southeast Wisconsin, Jefferson County in southeast Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeast Wisconsin, western Racine County in southeast Wisconsin, northeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, Walworth County in southeast
these are going to go
Wisconsin,
off.
Waukesha County in southeast Wisconsin until 8:30 p.m. At 7:46 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms was located along a line extending from Fort Atkinson to 6 miles southeast of Hubbard and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect
That's what
damage
we were looking for.
Number 11 is a limited edition of
Severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dutch County in southeast Wisconsin, Jefferson County in southeast Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeast Wisconsin, western Racine County in southeast Wisconsin, northeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin, Waukesha County in southeast Wisconsin until 8:30 p.m. At 7:46 p.m.
Just making sure that stays on so you can see it. Actually, you know what? I'm going to turn it